Hello friends, this is Virendra Singh Tekam. I do welcome from Abhyas Academy of Science. Okay, in my last video, we have seen the utilization of able to or unable to, and we also have seen that how we have to deal with question tag by different multiple varieties of sentences. Right? Till now, we have seen how we can make the sentence, how we can construct the sentence through the golden rule, right? And how we use the formulas to create the sentence, right? And we have seen parts of speeches, and after that we have seen that forms of verbs, right? तो अब तक हम लोग बहुत कुछ देख चुके हैं. Okay, helping verbs के बारे में भी मैंने आपको बताया था. There are various kinds of helping verbs like am, is, are, was, were, do, does, did, right? Do, does, did also considered as an helping verbs and action verbs, right? Just like do, does, did, we have the another category that's called have, has, had. These also considered as an helping verbs, modal auxiliary verbs and action verb. Today we are going to see the use of have, has, had, that how we can make the sentence by using these kind of helping verb and modal auxiliary verb. I'm going to explain about like कब have helping verb होगा, कब have modal auxiliary verb होगा और कब have has had action verb होगा. आज हम इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. So hope so we will give the full concentration, right? So we'll start, right? So these are the have, has, had. So when the have will become a helping verb, we will see that, right? So have हमारा helping verb कब होगा हम देखते हैं. If I write one sentence like I have completed my pending work. मैंने ये सेंटेंस लिखा है I have completed my pending work, right? This sentence I have written on the board. So by looking the position, अगर इसकी position देखी जाए तो यहाँ पर I is a subject, have is a helping verb. Why I am saying it is a helping verb? Because after this we have a action verb or action verb का third form. So completed we consider as a third form of action verb, and rest of all thing we consider as a object. So here ये जो have है, have की पोजीशन हो जाएगी helping verb. have की पोजीशन helping verb क्यों होगी? क्योंकि यहाँ पर have के बाद में action verb दिया हुआ है. So that's why ये have हमारे लिए helping verb होगा. Okay. कुछ और एग्जाम्पल्स देखते हैं. Suppose if I write I have a pencil. I have a pencil. This sentence I have written I have a pencil. Now here the position of a have is different. यहाँ पर have की position helping verb थी. यहाँ पर helping verb have क्यों है? क्योंकि उसके बाद में action verb का third form है. Why this helping verb we consider have? Because after have we got a third form of action verb. Now here we don't have action verb after the have. यहाँ पर have के बाद में action verb नहीं. Action verb means what? A kind of action from where which shows a action, जिससे action मालूम होता है, जिससे क्रिया मालूम होती है, वो action verb यहाँ पर नहीं है. तो यहाँ पर जो have है, तो ये have की position action verb की कहलाएगी. So I have a pencil. So I is a subject, have is the first form of action verb. Why I am saying it is an action verb? मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ ये action verb है? Because इसके बाद में और कोई दूसरा action verb नहीं है. That's why. और a pencil we consider as an object. So in second sentence we have proved that how the have will become a action verb, and in first example we have proved that how this have will become a helping verb. तो ये have helping verb कब होगा? जब इसके बाद में action verb का third form होगा. ये have action verb कब होगा? जब इसके बाद में कोई दूसरा एक्शन वर्ब नहीं होगा. When we don't have any other action verb, any real kind of action verb, then we consider have is a action verb. So you are getting. और एग्जाम्पल देख लेते हैं. Right? If I say we have a big house. We have a big house. यहाँ पर एक बार फिर से we have a big house. Here the position of a have is always considered as a action verb. यहाँ पर have की position action verb की होगी. क्यों होगी? क्योंकि यहाँ पर have के बाद में दूसरा कोई action verb नहीं है. Guys, we don't have any other action verb. That's why this have will become a action verb. ये have हमारे लिए action verb हो जाएगा. Okay, if I say अगर दूसरा कोई एग्जांपल देखते हैं. If I say like she had, obviously according to the golden rule we will use have or has. मैंने आपको पहले गोल्डन रूल में बताया है कि जब भी सेंटेंस आई यू वी दे से शुरू होगा तो हम have यूज करेंगे क्योंकि वो सिंगुलर के लिए यूज किया जाता है. और he she एक नेम obviously considered as a third person. So third person के लिए we use has. Okay, so she has a beautiful. She has a beautiful dress. She has a beautiful dress. Here she has a beautiful dress. Now here also जैसे have की पोजीशन यहाँ पर action verb की हुई है वैसे यहाँ पर has की भी पोजीशन action verb की हुई. Exactly same way we got a position of a has as a action verb. Why I am saying this is an action verb? Because after this, after has we don't have any other action verb. Has के बाद में और कोई दूसरा action verb नहीं है. That's why here this has will become an action verb. And always it is in first form. So she has a beautiful dress. उसके पास एक खूबसूरत एक अच्छा ड्रेस है. Okay, so in this way we can understand the sentence. In this way we can understand how the things happens for have, has, had. Have or has we use for present perfect tense, we use for present tense, but had we use for past tense. Let's check out past tense का भी एक example देख लेते हैं. Okay, if I write he had a wonderful shirt. He had a wonderful shirt. उसके पास एक बहुत अच्छा शर्ट था. Okay, whenever we use had, so definitely it goes into past, it goes into past perfect. Past perfect कब होगा? जब इसके बाद में action verb का third form होगा. Okay, now here also we don't have the third form of action verb. That's why this had we consider as a action verb. या had की पोजीशन action verb की हो जाएगी, लेकिन ये action verb second form में होगा. He had a wonderful shirt. Have or has or had it also consider, यानी ये और चीज दर्शाता है कि हमारे पास में किसी चीज का होना था. Okay, so in this way we examine, or in this way we can identify what is the when the have as had will become a action verb, when it will become a modal auxiliary verb. I'll talk about modal auxiliary verb. When it will become helping verb, right? Helping verb कब होगा guys? जब have or has or had के बाद में action verb का third form आएगा. When will we get like have, has, had? After that we get a action verb third form. Then only we consider the position of have, has, had will become a helping verb. Now here have, has, had आपके लिए action verb कब होगा? जब उसके बाद में कोई action verb नहीं होगा. When we don't get the action verb, when we don't get a real kind of action verb, then at that time the have, has, had will become our action verb. Okay, एंड लेट्स टॉक अबाउट मोर सेंटेंस, कुछ और सेंटेंस के बारे में बात करते हैं. ओके, right on number 6, let's check out example number 6. Doctors have wonderful knowledge. Doctors have wonderful knowledge. Right? Now here. एक सेंटेंस में लिखा है डॉक्टर्स हैव वंडरफुल नॉलेज. नाउ हियर डॉक्टर्स जो है वो प्लूरल फॉर्म में है, राइट? सो फॉर प्लूरल, व्हेनेवर वी गेट द सब्जेक्ट इन अ प्लूरल फॉर्म, एट दैट टाइम वी यूज सिंगुलर हैव, राइट? यहाँ पर सिंगुलर हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज होगा और एक्शन वर्ब यूज होगा. ओके, सो हियर वी गॉट अ हैव, तो यहाँ पर हैव की पोजीशन यहाँ पर आ जाएगी, तो ये हैव हमारे लिए एक्शन वर्ब होगा. ये हैव यहाँ पर क्यों यूज हुआ? व्हाई वी डिड यूज हैज, हमने हैज क्यों नहीं यूज किया? इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द सब्जेक्ट. व्हेन वी गेट प्लूरल, at the time we use have. When we get singular, at the time we use has. Like doctors have wonderful knowledge, we see, right? ये sentence हमने लिखा है ना, have की position यहाँ पर action verb की है. It is in first form. If I write another one, जैसे मैंने लिखा कि Mrs. Smita has a wonderful knowledge. Mrs. Smita has a wonderful knowledge. Now here Mrs. Smita is there, so Mrs. Smita is a singular subject. ये singular subject है, एक वचन subject है. That's why we use has. इसलिए यहाँ पर हम use करेंगे has. So here also the position of has is considered as a action verb. Why we consider as a action verb have और has को हम action verb क्यों consider कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि इसके बाद में और कोई दूसरा action verb नहीं है. It's quite easy to identify. Wherever we don't get the action verb after have has, at the time have has will become a action verb. When we get the third form of action verb after have has or had, at that time this have has or had will become our helping verbs. Okay, next example देख लेते हैं. और right, we see the another examples also, so you will understand better, right? If I say we have a new ride today. We have a new ride today. Okay, we have a new ride today. ये सेंटेंस में लिखा है. यहाँ पर आज हमारे लिए एक नया न्यू राइड टुडे, आज हम एक नई जगह जा रहे हैं, या आज हमारे लिए एक अच्छा दिन है. We can say that we have a new ride today. Okay, आज हमें कुछ अच्छा करना है, या आज हमारे पास कुछ अच्छा करने के लिए है. We have a new ride today. We consider. Okay, so have की पोजीशन यहाँ पर action verb की होगी. क्यों होगी? Why this position? Why we consider have as an action verb? Because we don't have action verb after this. Now, one thing also here I want to clear, right? For the plural things के लिए यहाँ पर have यूज किया जाएगा और singular things के लिए has यूज किया जाएगा present tense के लिए. Let's check out another example. और example देख लेते हैं, right? I have taken out some examples. Let's talk more about the plural. The children have gone to play. The children have gone to play. The children have gone to play in the garden. The children have gone to play in the garden. Now this sentence I have written, the children have gone to play in the garden. Here, यहाँ पर the children जो है, it's a plural subject. कौन सा subject है? Plural subject. So that's why ये जो have है यहाँ पर, it considered as a singular action verb. So whenever we get plural, जब भी हमें plural subjects मिलते हैं तो उसके साथ में हम have का use करते हैं. जब भी singular की बात होगी, so we will use has. Okay. So here also the position of a have is considered as a action verb. यहाँ पर भी यहाँ पर ये helping verb कहलाएगा. Action verb नहीं होगा, helping verb होगा. Why? Because we have a action verb. We have a third form of action verb. Go, went, gone. Right? So जब भी हमारे पास have के बाद में action verb होगा, तो ये have हमारे लिए helping verb होगा. Whenever we get like action verb, third form of action verb, at that time the have, has, had will become the helping verb. ये helping verb हो जाएगा. Let's talk more about like the modal auxiliary. When it will become modal auxiliary? ये modal auxiliary verbs कब बनेंगे? इसके बारे में बात करते हैं. It's quite easy. Okay. अब तक हमने देखा कि have, has, had कब action verb होता है, कब helping verb होता है. Now we will see when it will become modal auxiliary verb. Suppose if I write like I have to complete. I have to complete my homework now. I have to complete my homework now. मुझे मेरा homework अभी पूरा करना है. Okay. When I was introducing about like have to, has to, had to, these are the responsibility modal auxiliary verbs. Whenever we use, obviously we have to use like 2 plus V1. It always considered as an infinitive. जब भी हमारा ट्रीटमेंट इन्फिनेटिव के फॉर्म में होगा, मतलब 2 plus V1 के फॉर्म में होगा, डेफिनेटली ये have हमारे लिए मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी बन जाएगा. ओके, सो I have to complete my homework. जब भी have और has और had के बाद में 2 plus V1 लगेगा, so it always considered as a model auxiliary verb, right? So we have to be careful about that thing, right? So this is the way we consider. So here I is a subject, have to is a model auxiliary verb. We can't take it like single have. सिर्फ हम have को नहीं ले सकते. We have to take it like have to. Okay, जब भी have to रहेगा तो वो आपके लिए model auxiliary verb बन जाएगा. So I have to complete. Complete is an action verb and my homework till now we consider as a object. Okay, let's check out more. If I say she has to write. She has to write a letter to her friend. She has to write a letter to her friend. उसे अपने friend को पत्र लिखना है. She has to write. Has to always consider as a responsibility modal auxiliary verb. Guys, whenever we get the treatment like this, जब भी हमें ऐसा treatment मिलेगा, ऐसा प्रकार मिलेगा, तो ही हम इसे modal auxiliary verb बोलेंगे. So she is a subject, has to is a modal auxiliary verb, write is an action verb, or letter till friend we always consider as a object, right? So ये modal auxiliary verb की varieties हैं. It shows responsibility. Let's check out for the past also. Past के लिए भी देख लेते हैं. If I write, let's take a name, Arun. Arun had to attend all lectures. Arun had to attend all lectures in the college. Arun had to attend all lectures in the college. ये sentence में लिखा है. Okay, so Arun is a subject over here and had to is a modal auxiliary verb. Whenever we get the treatment, whenever we get the variety like this, especially for have to, has to, had to. Okay, so obviously it's considered as a modal auxiliary verb. Attained is an action verb. All till college we consider object. Okay, so this is the way how we deal. इस प्रकार से हम आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं, इस प्रकार से हम इसे यूज कर सकते हैं. Have, has, had. Okay, let's check out more examples. Today we will talk only on this thing. आज इसी के ऊपर बात करेंगे. So we'll get more clarification. कि have, has, had कब हमारे लिए action verb होगा, कब हमारे लिए modal auxiliary verb होगा. We'll see that. Let's check out. She has to. She has to reach. She has to reach early. She has to reach early for the class. She has to reach early for the class. Now this is sentence, right? We'll see the few examples. After that, like we will examine about this thing, right? So she has to reach early for the class. Here we will see that she has beautiful hair. She has beautiful hair. Okay. Here we got a different position of has. Here we got a different position of has. Let's check out. He has beautiful hair. We see that. Let's check out. Atul has reached. Atul has reached at railway station. Atul has reached at railway station very late. Atul has reached at railway station very late. Here we got different position. Here we got different position. Here we got different position. Okay, so I'll explain about that. She has to reach early for the class. यहाँ पर has to की जो position है वो modal auxiliary verb की है. Modal auxiliary verb की position क्यों है? Because after this we have action verb. Okay, we got the treatment like has to. जब भी has to का treatment है, so definitely it is a modal auxiliary verb. Here he has beautiful hair. Okay, उसके बहुत खूबसूरत बाल हैं. So has की जो position है यहाँ पर action verb की है. Here we got a position of has is an action verb. Why I am saying it is an action verb? Because we don't have any other action verb after has. Has के बाद में हमारे पास दूसरा action verb नहीं है. That's why ये has ही हमारे लिए action verb होगा. यहाँ पर has के बाद में हमारे पास action verb है. After has we got a third form of action verb. That's why we will say this has is a helping verb, right? So reached is a third form of action verb. So we got a different qualities how we have to use has to or has or have or had. Let's check out for had also. Had का भी देख लेते हैं और have का भी देख लेते हैं. Okay, if I say right they. So they had one BHK flat. Okay. they had 1 BHK flat. Okay, so had की जो पोजीशन है यहाँ पर एक्शन वर्ब की होगी. Okay, they had 1 BHK flat, but it whole sentence will go in a past. ये पूरा sentence जाएगा past में. Let's check out for have. Have के लिए भी देख लेते हैं. If I say we have our own house. Let's take it with the simple example so you will understand better. Okay, we have our own house. हमारा खुद का घर है. हमारे पास हमारा खुद का घर है. We have our own house. So have की position यहाँ पर definitely action verb की होगी. So like this we understand. Hope so that you are getting the things. आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा. Okay, let's check out some more examples. कुछ और examples देख लेते हैं. Okay, guys, we are dealing with like use have to, has to. Okay, हम देख रहे हैं. Now let's check out more. She has made the delicious cake. The sentence are written, she has made a delicious cake, right? She has a fantastic car. She has a fantastic car. Here we have seen she has a fantastic car. In another example, we talk about like she has to secure the car by purchasing the policy. Now the sentence like she has to secure the car by purchasing the policy. Okay, so here we got the different position. Now let's check out like she had purchased the policy for her car. She had purchased the policy for her car. Now these are the examples what I have written on the board, right here. I'll explain when the has will become a action verb, when it will become a modal auxiliary verb, and how it will become a helping verb. Here the position of has, यहाँ पर position has की है helping verb की. Why I am saying it is a helping verb? Because we have a action verb. यहाँ पर action verb है वो third form में है. We got a action verb whenever in third form. At that time this has will become helping verb. यहाँ पर has की position है action verb की. यहाँ पर has की position action verb की क्यों है? क्योंकि इसके बाद में और कोई दूसरा action verb नहीं है. We don't have any another action verb. That's why this has will become our action verb. Here we got a has to. So has to obviously consider as a modal auxiliary verb. Has के साथ में to लगा तो definitely it consider as a modal auxiliary verb, and this modal auxiliary verb shows responsibility, and I have already told you, right? Have to, has to, had to, responsibility. Okay, here she had purchased. Now here the position of had is considered as a helping verb, but this whole sentence will go in a past perfect tense. Now this sentence is considered as a present. Okay, this sentence also considered as a present. This sentence considered as a present perfect tense, right? So this is the way how we do or how we use have, has, had, how we understand have, has, had. Hope so that you have understood well. बहुत आसान है इसे समझना. We can use in different varieties of sentences. Now we know how to use. हमें मालूम है कि इसका use कैसे करना है. We can make the sentence through the formulas. I have already told you about this thing, right? So I think like this is quite enough. आज के लिए इतना काफी है. Hope so that you are doing practice, right? And you will make. You already have made a separate copy. आपने एक अलग copy बना के रखा होगा और उसमें आप प्रैक्टिस कर रहे होंगे. आपको करना है. You have to do, right? So we can take the examples through that. इसका हम use कर सकते हैं. Okay, so this is quite enough for today, and be safe, be happy, and thank you so much.